Today, Chef Barry is going to do meatballs and spaghetti. So here we go. I already got the meatballs in the oven. Now we got to put the spaghetti in.
Next demonstration, we're going to use a special glow-in-the-dark material to show how the cross-weight pet crow cleans not
Okay, that should be enough.
but also the messes that you can't see. For instance, when your cat goes in your box,
Pretty simple. Anybody can do it.
hi, the black
So we just let it cook for about 7 minutes.
luckily,
We'll
the
just set the
cross-weight
timer.
pet crow can clean both messes quickly and easily, leaving behind a
There
clean
we go.
and a fresh scent. And pets aren't the only ones who leave behind invisible messes. Here, the black light reveals the kind of thing that could be hiding on your bathroom floors. But once again, the cross-weight
We'll just stir it up.
and the multi-surface formula with Febreze leaves behind a fresh, clean scent. If you want to vacuum and wash a wide variety of messes on a multitude of hard surfaces, you just can't beat the cross-weight.
The meatballs take a little longer, so I put them in ahead of time. So they're usually take about 10 minutes to do them. I just buy a bag of them there. Get them at Superstore for 10 bucks a bag, and quite a few in them there. There you are. Fully cooked Italian style meatballs. And you can see all the meatballs in them. So they usually last a long time there for a single person. So I'm going to turn this down a little bit. I just want to gently boil it there. Today is a little bit nicer out. At least it's getting above freezing now, and a lot of the snow is melting away. So we're back on the mend again for some decent weather. So went out to the lake today, went for a walk and along the waterfront. And a couple of boats out there today, and one pulling a water skier. And then I went over to the mall, did some shopping. So I'm just going to stir it up a little bit. Then I need some spaghetti sauce. I got this one in here called Classico. Tomato and basil. So when I get it all done, I'll just be putting that on there, and I'll be spicing it up a little bit with some spices, and then it will be ready to eat. Stir it up a little bit more. Strainer. plate.
Because if you microtreat your chances of finding your dog are much higher. So not only are you getting a great cleaning product, you're literally helping abandoned pets find forever homes. That's central to what I believe, and it's central to what Whistle believes.
Hello again, I'm still Sanjay.
And I'm still out. Now we're in the entryway, first floor of the house, you can see when they enter your home.
You can see outside how the snow is still there, but a lot of it's melted away. And it's just about dark out.
We have here. On your floors, there's always a layer of dust. Now let's say the kids pack in some grass and some milk.
Now, let's add an extra element to this. Let's say it's raining outside.
A gift from Mother Nature.
Now you've got to make sure wet and dry mess is just sitting
And the sooner you get to this,
So stir this up a little bit more.
on wet mud and water.
and your mom just pushes the big stuff around.
But the Crossway Pet Pro cleans all of it in just one easy step.
Yeah, till it gets nice and soft and tender and pretty much ready to go. So I think that's going to be about it. I'll just strain it. Now we'll grab the meatballs. Throw them in there. Then we'll take some sauce. Spread it around like so. Turn that down a little bit, and we'll put some seasoning salt on it. And salt and pepper to their taste. Not too much, just put a little on of each. So I think it's all done now. And we'll just dish it out. And then we'll just add some veggies in there for... There they are, the veggies. Okay, so that's basically how you make spaghetti and meatballs. Okay, that's it for today. Bye.